Hi, I'm Mary from Tenable. As we wrap up another incredible year, we wanted to take a moment to say a massive thank you. Because of your partnership and commitment to sustainability, we've achieved something truly special with the Arbor Day Foundation. Over the past 2 years, Tenable has successfully funded the planting of 50,000 trees across 8 distinct global projects.
But this was about so much more than just putting seeds in the ground. It was about the long-term health of our planet. Your support also protects our most vital resources. This project will help avert over 22 million gallons of water run away, greatly improving our water qualities.
We have targeted regions that need it most. In the Americas, we are fighting deforestation in the Brazilian Amazon states of Rondônia and Mato Grosso. In the US, we are healing the scars of the Butlet fire in Oregon and helping Florida recover from Hurricane Michael, planting 10,000 trees in each location.
Your support also protects our most vital resources. These projects will help avoid over 22 million gallons of water runoff, greatly improving water quality. And when it comes to the air we breathe, we're removing over 82 tons of air pollutants, creating enough oxygen for 200,000 people a day.
The Arbor Day Foundation is greening forests and communities in the UK. In southern India, it's revitalizing an important river basin. And in the Philippines, is helping restore the ancestral domain forests.
This work supports the people living there too. Whether it's securing water sources from millions in India or reconnecting indigenous communities with their land in the Philippines, your partnership is supporting the livelihoods of real people.
99 acres restored, 50,000 trees planted. That number includes the trees we planted for every Tenable winter sweater sent out this season. As we wrap up both the Grow Your Partnership program and the Winter Sweater campaign, we want to express our infinite gratitude. Thank you for growing with us. Here's to a greener future.